Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Journey TV. Today, we will listen to a simple English story. Sometimes people feel sad because their English is not good. Maybe you feel nervous when you speak English. Maybe people laugh at your mistakes. But do not worry. Every good English speaker was once a beginner. This story will help you feel confident again. David moved to a new country. He wanted to learn English, but English was very difficult for him. One day, he went to a coffee shop. The worker asked, "What would you like to order?" David became nervous. He forgot all his English words. He said only, "Coffee, small, please." Some people behind him laughed quietly. David felt embarrassed. He wanted to go home. That night, David looked in the mirror. He said, "My English is not good." The next morning, David saw a video online. The video said, "Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn." David thought carefully. Then he smiled a little. He started practicing English every day. He watched English videos. He listened to simple stories. He learned 5 new words every day. Sometimes he spoke to himself in English. Sometimes he practiced in front of the mirror. Little by little, his English became better. One week later, David went back to the same coffee shop. This time he took a deep breath. The worker smiled and asked again, "What would you like to order?" David answered slowly, "Hello, can I have a small coffee and a sandwich, please?" The worker smiled and said, "Of course." David felt very happy. His English was not perfect, but he spoke clearly. That day, David learned something important. You do not need perfect English. You only need courage. After that day, David practiced more and more. He spoke English every day. He made mistakes every day, too. But now, he was not afraid. One day, he helped a tourist find a train station. Another day, he talked with a new friend in English. Slowly, his confidence grew stronger. Months later, David got a new job. During the interview, he spoke English calmly. The manager smiled and said, "Your English is good." David could not believe it. He remembered the old days when he said, "My English is not good." Now everything was different. Maybe your English is not good today. That is okay. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once made mistakes. Do not stop learning. Do not stop speaking. And never feel ashamed. English is not magic. It is practice. If you practice every day, your English will improve slowly and beautifully. One day people will understand you clearly. One day you will speak with confidence. Thank you for watching English Journey TV. Keep practicing English every day. And remember, your English does not need to be perfect. It only needs to grow. See you in the next story. See you.